Init niya. It's 10 p.m. and nagugutom ako. And I have here the Yopokki cheese Topokki rice cake. So, lulutuin natin siya, guys. But, ang instruction dito, lulutuin siya sa microwave. Since wala tayong microwave, lulutuin natin siya sa apoy. So, ito yung brand. Ayan. So, this is the Topokki. Ayan. So, ito po ay hindi siya pwedeng kainin, ha. This one is the cheese powder, 20 grams. Instruction niya is, yung water is until dyan sa line. Here, some water until the line. Ayan. Natin yung ating water. And then, we'll put our Topokki. And then, let it simmer. Okay, yan na siya. And nalagay natin yung ating cheese. Cheese powder. Mix lang natin until mag-thickens yung ating sauce. Lutuin nyo siya ng 2 minutes, guys. So, yan. Okay na yan. So, ganyan na siya. Yan. And then, guys, for our side dish, meron tayong kimchi here. This is the Bambi kimchi cabbage. So, this is the kimchi. Yan. Maglagay lang tayo ng konti. Okay, so let's taste test. Okay, so this is the, guys, the Topokki. Masarap siya kasi cheese. Pero mas masarap to pag spicy. Sarap. Sana hindi ko inubos yung cheese. Kasi, ano na siya, over cheese lang.